4 tips to stay shredded for life. How complex is it to stay shredded all year long? That depends on the body type a person has. Lean people find it easier compared to guys with huge bodies. Altogether, it isn't impossible for anyone to achieve this. So, what's the importance of being shredded? Better body status helps to maintain good metabolism in your body overall. For a better, faster metabolism, ensure that put more muscles in your body. This may seem absurd at first, but realistically, it takes more time and energy to maintain them. Then, fat content. You may increase your BMR by practicing more of this. So, what's the procedure? Number one, shift to more flexible diet. Okay, track what you take on a daily basis. So long as you are comfortable to eat what you like, and at any time deduct what you eat from your allowances. Number two, train hard and continuously. Importance of continuous and hard training helps to maintain and build your muscles complexion, burns down the fat content in your body, better body complexion and composition, a more healthy lifestyle. Crush your compound exercise. There are two important benefits. One, gain after continuous compound movements hits. They are: number one, calories are burned much faster. Number two, you get to lift much heavier weight. So number three tip is add thermogenic foods in your diet. The term thermogenic basically means to produce heat. Thermogenic food raise the temperature of our body and hence the need for energy. The body can never achieve this high temperature and without first having energy. These foods help to burn down calories in our bodies. Example of these include like coffee and protein, pepper foods, tea, green tea. Final tips on getting shredded all year long. You now have all the important tips that will guarantee a well shredded year. You don't need to struggle too hard with exercises that are not giving positive results. Live a lean lifestyle and ensure that you do away with the bad dieting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel.